Automation is used by 76% of businesses today to increase productivity and efficiency on a large scale. But automation is a two-sided coin with even darker negatives. The leading cause of unwanted vibration results from an imbalanced force acting upon the object. In automation, an imbalanced force on the motor can lead to irreversible damage as the motor shaft tries to compensate. To solve this problem, companies use vibration dampers. The problem with dampers today is that cheap rubberized dampers can contain harmful chemicals called phthalates, which can have many adverse side effects if ingested, cancer being one of them. These dampers are also set to only specific sizes, which can make them unavailable to certain machines. Lastly, these dampers must be shipped from the manufacturer to the company across long distances, which can cause a delay in product output and can cost more due to shipping.
Hello, I am Aarav Upadhyay, CEO of DuraDamp. DuraDamp is a damping mechanism that combines efficiency, productivity, and sustainability by using 3D printing to create and model a damping device for machines of any size, shape, or form.
The first outer layer comprises high-density 3D printed materials firmly attached to the outside of the motor or machine, giving a baseline for the springs to push off of. Speaking of springs, the next part of the damper is composed of springs with a higher spring constant, leading to stiffer springs and less vibration. As the inner layer, which goes around the shaft of the motor, is hit by the shaft via unwanted vibration, the springs push back on the inner layer, reverberating the shaft back to its original position. To buy a DuraDamp damper, first, go to the DuraDamp website to send an STL file of your machine setup. Second, once it is sent, our Dura developers work diligently to send back an STL file of your damper in less than an hour.
Third, pay the invoice, print the pieces with your 3D printer, and attach your recommended springs onto the damper.
Note that we work with local 3D printing and spring making businesses in your area to minimize shipping costs and times.
Our product lifecycle does not just stop there. Broken dampers can be sent back, melted, and turned into another damper for machine use. This allows the Dura damper to decrease pollution and increase product output, something all companies genuinely want. Our novel DuraDamp timeline uses existing technology to produce the product at a manufacturing cost of $0, enabling us to sell these dampers cheaper than our competitors, making money off of every damper created, and being able to reinvest this money back into the business.
In the about $500 million current damping industry, there are tiers of customers and non-customers that DuraDamp taps into. First, we have the soon-to-be non-customers, businesses or individuals currently exploring the vibration damping solutions, or those looking for cost-effectiveness or ease of installation of modern dampers. Next are the refusing customers, industries or applications where vibration damping is not a priority or considered unnecessary for their operations. Lastly is the unexplored territory, or emerging industries or niche markets where vibration damping solutions are not used but could offer benefits. By focusing on the problems that non-customers have, DuraDamp is able to achieve access to a greater than $1 billion market. By looking at the 2B strategy canvas of DuraDamp, we can see that it outshines the current competitors at every checkpoint. Our focus on cost reduction and innovation sets us apart from traditional players, ensuring sustained market dominance. The buyer utility map shows that our Blue Ocean offering is better than the current industry focus, eliminating the risk of using and maintaining current dampers and increasing simplicity, productivity, and more. So far, we have completed research on the novel design at the micro level. Over 30 different test cases were run with varying levels of imbalance, and we are proud to say that the prototype dampened 42.08% of vibrations compared to its undamped counterpart. The next step for DuraDamp is to file a patent on this novel design. To recap, DuraDamp reduces pollution and gives companies personalized dampers up to 97% faster than conventional shipping procedures. The use of STL files enables DuraDamp to reduce costs dramatically. For instance, our prototypes cost nothing on our end to create, compared to modern dampers, which can cost up to $35 to $40 per damper. DuraDamp raises companies' overall product output by allowing them to create dampers when needed and not worry if they run out of dampers. It also raises the importance of environmental sustainability and the bar for using eco-friendly materials. Our commitment to environmental sustainability, cost-effectiveness, and operational excellence redefines industry standards. Here is the ERRC grid that summarizes everything that has been stated, highlighting what DuraDamp eliminates, reduces, raises, and creates. This allows DuraDamp to differentiate from the competition while maintaining a low cost, creating a blue ocean in the damping industry. DuraDamp, damping one layer at a time.